I'm Rob Vercio, and I am a hand and upper extremity surgeon here at Proliance Puget Sound Orthopedics. So I treat everything from the shoulder to the fingertips. I grew up in Gig Harbor, so this is coming home for me. I went to high school here in Tacoma and am very happy to be returning after finishing my medical training in Southern California and doing an additional fellowship out in Wisconsin. It's really fun to be back here in Washington State and taking care of the community that I grew up in. My patient care philosophy always starts with listening to the patient. They know their body and what they've been dealing with better than I do, and it's really helpful to understand who they are as a person and what their needs are. Everyone is not the same, and every X-ray or ultrasound or MRI doesn't mean the same thing for every individual. And so being able to work through that to understand who they are, what their problem is, and then what their goals are really helps me to be able to recommend the best options for them so that we can work together as a team for them to have the best outcome possible. I knew I wanted to be a doctor from a relatively young age. I come from a family of physicians. They just helped drive me into this career field where my interests aligned. Being able to help people and especially restore their function is really became interesting to me. Our hands are our gateway to the world. That's how we interact. That's how we do things. And to have limitations in that is very uncomfortable and very debilitating. And so being able to work through that is really an honor for me. I want my patients to know that I have the skills and knowledge to be able to take care of them and help get them better. But ultimately, and even more importantly, I want them to know that I care about them, that I'm going to treat them just like I would my family as we work together to get them better and return them back to their normal life.